Hello everyone, this is Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in my Cozy Corner Challenge. This is hosted by Arlynn's Country Craft Corner. I'm going to leave a link to her channel below. If you don't know her, please check her out. She's an amazing decorator. Now in the challenge, only thing she asked is that you have a sign or a picture, some type of bow, and some type of floral arrangement. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to start at the left and move to the right, but before I do, she does use ladders a lot, and I do have a ladder that I'm using. This is about over 50 years old. When I was about 9, 10, 11, something like that, my parents bought bunk beds for my room. And this is the ladder that came with the bunk beds. So like I said, it's at least 50 years old, maybe older. Okay, I'm going to start with this is a patriotic lighted rag garland that I made a year or so ago, that I just then hung a little metal star. And then I have this famous VJ Day picture. I don't know if you recognize it or not, but this was on VJ Day. A sailor was walking down the street. He was so excited. He's just seen some woman he didn't even know and just gave her a big kiss. And it just so happened that there was a reporter there. He took the picture and put it in his newspaper, and it is still seen many places today. Now this is the bow I made. This is a funky bow, and Arlynn is famous for her funky bows. And this is one that I've made following her directions. I probably don't do her work justice, but I have tried. This is just a metal patriotic star that I've added to it. And then we come on down. I just got a little child's chair with an eagle sitting on top. I have my little tricycle with the flowers in it, and I put just a little patriotic bird sitting on it. And it's just sitting on a little crate that tangerines came in. That all I did was just put a ribbon around it. Now let me go to the top to the right. Then over here, a sign that I bought from Hobby Lobby. Blessed be the nation whose God is the Lord. Psalms 33:12. A grape wreath with a little patriotic rag boy with the flag. Here's a little accent lamp that I did a DIY on. It was called Thrift Store Flip. I'll leave a link at the bottom so you can, if you want to check that out. Here's just a little rag doll, patriotic little girl. Here's a patriotic floral arrangement that I made. And underneath or below it is just Uncle Sam's fireworks. That's a Department 56 piece that I've had for many years. And we come below. Here's just a crock that it has bird houses on it, and right beside it is a patriotic bird house. And then in the middle, is just some flowers and berries that I put a little bird in it that is sitting in a picnic basket. So this is my cozy corner. Arlynn, I want to thank you for making this an open challenge. I have thoroughly enjoyed participating in this. I hope everyone who has viewed has enjoyed. I want to thank everyone for watching and hope everyone has a wonderful week. Bye-bye.